Find two numbers whose sum is 400 and whose product is a maximum. So we need to define what our two numbers are going to look like. We're going to let x be one number. Looking at our information, we know that if we add those two numbers, we get 400. So representation for our second number, or the other number, can be listed as 400 minus x. And that's going to represent our other number. They also tell us that this product is a maximum. So we need to multiply our two expressions together to get a maximum. So that product we'll call P is equal to our first number multiplied by the other number. Simplifying that, we'll do distributive property. We'll have 400x, and then x times a negative x is a negative x squared. This is our product. Let's rearrange this a little bit to have our x squared term first. Don't forget your negative. So that is a negative x squared plus 400x. This maximum point means we're also looking at the vertex of this graph. This is a quadratic. So the maximum is at the highest point, which is the vertex, or could be the lowest point. In this case, it's a maximum. So to find the vertex, we're going to use the formula x equals minus b divided by 2a. So from our original equation, we're going to have to label the coefficients of each of our terms. The coefficient out in front of x squared is labeled a. The coefficient in front of our our x term is labeled b, and we do not have a constant. So we're ready to substitute our values of our coefficients into finding our vertex and our x-coordinate of that, our equation. The opposite of b is 400, so that becomes negative 400. Divided by 2 times a is a negative 1. And let's simplify that to negative 400 divided by negative 2, which equals 200. And let's see what we have. This is the value of x. Notice we defined x to be our one number, our first number. So we've got that. So we're now ready to find our two numbers. So our first number is given by x equals 200. Our expression for our second number, or our other number, is 400 minus x. So this is our second number. So let's substitute 200 into the x position. 400 minus 200, and we'll get, again, 200. So our two numbers are 200 and 200. Let's just do a quick check. They were supposed to sum up to 400. 200 plus 200 we know is 400. The product, if we multiply 200 times 200, gives us our maximum. We'll just put that here. 200 times 200 gives us our maximum at 40,000.